Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of Huawei Nova 3i smartphone. It comes with 24 plus 2 dual front facing camera setup. It is capable of recording 1080p Full HD videos. Huawei Nova 3i comes with many different kind of AR filters. For pictures, there is AI mode provided that enhances images captured from the front-facing camera based on the scene, lighting condition, etc. The HDR Pro mode is available for both images and video recording as well. It also comes with portrait mode, that is combination of beautification and the bokeh effect. When you use the beautification mode, you will be able to record the videos only in 720p HD resolution, so you need to keep this thing in mind as well. Huawei Nova 3i front facing camera also comes with moving picture feature for the images. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea if you're going to use Huawei Nova 3i for taking selfies or videos, so how good or bad it will be in terms of quality. So that's all for now, friends. A detailed camera review of Huawei Nova 3i will be uploaded very soon, so do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks and hands-on reviews like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.